At the first phase of the Canton Fair, the popular brand of Jiangxue motorcycles went viral. What are the must-see highlights of the second phase? Many people say that this year's Canton Fair has seen a significant increase in both the scale of the exhibition halls and the number of customers. Without further ado, let's experience it firsthand through the lens. And the first phase of the Canton Fair, the popular brand of Jiangxue motorcycles went viral. What are the must-see highlights of the second phase? Let's take an immersive tour and find out. Anyone who has ever attended the Canton Fair has seen its largest exhibit, the Canton Temporary Exhibition Halls. Since 2001, Liri has built 70,000 square meters of temporary exhibition hall for the Canton Fair for 25 consecutive years. Truly demonstrating their strengths is a real brand company which have deep digs in this industry. Let's take a look at the largest exhibit at the Canton Fair. Hello, this year's Canton Fair has added a new exhibition hall. Is this a rare and valuable opportunity?
Hello, this is Manager Chu from Liri Architecture Technology. This year's Canton Fair can accommodate more buyers, which is excellent news for us. Not only the number of customers who come to inquire on site, also those who have booked to visit our booths in advance is much higher than in previous years. This time, we receive clients from Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, and the Americas, etc. We had very pleasant discussions with them and have got many preliminary cooperation intentions.
I see a lot of people are paying attention to this product. Is there anything special about it?
This is a brand new product we are featuring today, the Garden Marquise. This product has garnered significant attention from international customers. Its exquisite and beautiful appearance makes it suitable for various banquets, business exhibitions, outdoor leisure activities, and other settings, combining practicalities and aesthetics. Furthermore, we are a source factory with a complete industrial chain capability from R&D, production, processing to sales, enabling us to provide customers with one-stop tent solutions and comprehensive safety guarantees. This is also a core advantage that customers highly recognize.
From assembled temporary exhibition halls at the Canton Fair with over 25 consecutive years to launching highly sought-after new products, Liri has demonstrated its brand responsibility through its strengths. At this second phase of the Canton Fair, Liri not only gained recognition from clients from all over the world, but also showcased the strengths of Chinese architecture technology companies. We look forward to them bringing more high-quality products in the future.